From JAMB 2001 question 20, we are asked if P equal bracket open 3 minus 2, 4, 5, 0, 6, 7, 5 minus 1 bracket close. Then minus 2P is, quickly we write solution. We write solution. Now we copy out our question again. We have P to be equal to bracket open 3 minus 2, 4, 5, 0, 6, 7, 5 minus 1, all within a bracket. Therefore, we're asked to look for the value of minus 2P. And this is equal to minus 2, bracket open, 3, minus 2, 4, 5, 0, 6, 7, 5, minus 1, bracket close, equal to, bracket open, minus 2 times 3 gives us minus 6. Minus 2 times minus 2, we have 4. Minus 2 times 4, we have minus 8. Minus 2 times 5, we have minus 10. Minus 2 times 0 gives us 0. Minus 2 times 6 gives us minus 12. Minus 2 times 7, we have minus 14. Minus 2 times 5, we have minus 10. Minus 2 times minus 1 gives us 2. Bracket close. Therefore, our answer is a bracket open, minus 6, 4, minus 8, minus 10, 0, minus 12, minus 14, minus 10, 2, bracket close. Thank you.